Hello and welcome to the Drivers Hub. My name is Bhavneet Vaswani and welcome to another episode of Project Zen. Today is paint correction day and we are not inside, we are outside because we are going to be washing the car first. We are going to be doing some compounding and some polishing to the paint. The paint is quite old, so it's flaking out, and we thought of doing the paint first because as you can see, it's just peeling out from everywhere, and before we want to go and paint it completely, we are going to be just showing you guys what the process is of correcting the paint and actually making the paint look as good as new. So join us today and let's take you through the entire journey. So right behind me, what you can see Aniket doing is he's using a little bit of clay, which is a special clay that sticks to the paint and removes all the irregularities and dirt from the paint that stick to the paint. And we don't know if the car has been detailed before, if the paint has been worked on before. So what we are going to be doing is going from scratch, and it is very important to clay the car, clay the paint of the car so that we have a clean surface to work on.
We went ahead, and by we I mean Aniket and his team, went ahead and clayed the entire car down, removing as much dust as we could. Once we were done with that, we cleaned the car with foam and brought it inside the workshop for the rest of the work.
We are done with the clay process of the car, and now we are going to start with the entire paint correction process. Mind you, paint correction doesn't actually mean painting the car and fixing every single dot. We are going to be filling up the paint first with a little nanocot compounder that basically all of the swirl marks over the years and all of the scratches over the years, we put a little thin layer over it and cover them up. After that, we are going to be polishing it and leveling everything up again with just a paint restoration polish, and then we are going to finish the job with a paint sealant, which basically keeps everything intact and puts everything back to normal. For that, we are going to be using quite a lot of equipment, as you can see, but mainly these pads on this rotary polisher that goes boom boom. Once we were done with the masking tape, we started using the rotor. Now, as one would have seen in a video, it isn't just a rotor that you can use across the entire car. The application has to be proper and there shouldn't be any excess filling, as it could damage the car. Since I didn't have any experience whatsoever in painting cars or even art class in school in general, I let Aniket do the entire process, and let me tell you, the difference is just spectacular. We stuck around for a while, and at the speed that Aniket was going, by the end of the day, we were done with the entire car. The difference from when we saw it before and last was mind-blowing. If you ever think that the paint on your 20-year-old car is still brilliant, I would suggest you to head down to Pristine Automobiles and get your car paint corrected and see the difference for yourself. Well, that's it for this video. It saddens me to tell you that this is the last episode of the Project Zen, but We have season 2 lined up and will be coming out with it very shortly. Subscribe to the channel and follow us on Instagram to get these updates. Share this video with your friends and like this video too. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Bhavneet Vaswani. I'll see you in the next one.